Hello everyone. Good day guys, and it's Die Hard Crypto here. And on this video, I'm very sorry about my previous video. I went through it and all I could realize was that with the way I've been sounding so nervous. Because I'm not used to making videos and posting it online. I'm not used to social media at all. I'm very sorry about that, guys. But I'm working on that. I promise you guys, I'm working on that, and I'm sure that if with my consistency on this YouTube channel, I'm gonna be getting better. I'm really gonna be getting better. So I need to just take a deep breath. Everything is calm. It's just me and my laptop. So yeah guys, I just want to give you guys updates on Shiba Inu, guys. If you're trading spot or futures, guys, this is the right time, guys. This is the right time for you to buy a whole lot of Shiba Inu. On the Fibonacci retracement, it has retraced down to the 61.8%, guys, down to the 61.8. And whenever it bounces to the 61.8, whenever it bounces, it bounced the first now due from it got to 78.6. It almost got there, then it went back and retested the 38.2, then it went down to 61.8. Guys, you guys should put a at buy order here at the 50%, guys, at the 50% Fibonacci retracement, because when it gets there, it's gonna take off, guys. Or you guys, if you are scalping, you can buy some Shiba Inu right here if you're trading spots. And you guys, let me make the technical analysis for you guys. If you want to learn how to do this, you guys should let me know at the comment section, guys. So this is the daily chart. And on this daily chart, I'm just gonna sorry about that, guys. How am I supposed to make this okay? So on this daily chart, let us take it to the 4 hour candle, guys. Let's take it to the 4 hour candle. Okay, this is the 4 hour candles, guys. This is the 4 hour candle, guys. This is the 4 hour candle. And okay, let's okay, let me make it this way. Okay. All right, guys, let's draw a trend line. This is our trend line from here. Take it from here all the way down here. Our trend line is gonna be confirmed when it touches it 3 times, guys. 3 times. And as you all can see, there's about to be a breakout, guys. There's going to be a breakout anytime soon. You just have to buy a whole lot of Shiba Inu, guys. A whole lot of Shiba Inu. After the trend line, we're gonna make let me add the resistance. So here is gonna be our resistance, guys, all the way from here straight to this point, guys, straight to this point. So if you are trading futures, guys, if you are trading futures, this is how you're gonna make this trade, guys. This is how you're gonna make this trade. First of all, let me help you guys with the calculation. Sorry, I would love to use but I'm not gonna use that. I just want to, like, okay, now I'm gonna clone this and take it here, guys. If there should be any breakout all the way from this angle, this 61.8%, all the way from this angle, we should be seeing Shiba Inu heading towards here, guys, heading towards here, or heading towards the 1000. I mean, we got the 4 zeros here. We're gonna be smashing away 10. Yeah, we're gonna be canceling another zero, guys. We're gonna be canceling another zero. Yep, yep. So your take profit should be here. Your first take profit should be here, guys. Your first take profit should be here. So this is Shiba Inu, guys. This is Shiba Inu. I advise you guys to buy a whole lot of Shiba Inu right now, because it's gonna explode, guys. It's really gonna explode. Believe me, guys, when I tell you this. Thank you guys for watching. If you really want to learn more on trading, sports, and futures, please do comment at the comment section, and I'm gonna reply you guys. You should don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit that bell notification, guys. Hit that bell notification so that whenever I drop any video or menu updates, you're gonna stay updated, guys. You're gonna stay updated. But right now, I advise you guys to buy Shiba Inu. If you're trading sports, you buy a lot. If you're okay, this is gonna be your this is gonna be your stop loss, guys. This is gonna be your stop loss. Stop loss is gonna be around here. This place is gonna be your stop loss. Let me change the color to red so that you're gonna see. Let me make it this. Yeah, this should be your stop loss, guys. This should be your stop loss, and your take profit should be uh, your take profit should be here. Your first take profit, guys. Your first take profit should be here. So if you have any question, you could just let me know. If you got any question, you could just let me know, guys. Yep. Thank you for watching. Peace out, guys. Peace out.